Well, tonight, South Carolina schools are a step closer to banning cell phones in the classroom.
Yeah, just within the last few hours, the State Board of Education approved a first reading of a draft policy that would require students to store their phones away for the entire school day, y'all.
Our Josie Frost has the details on when the ban would begin.
Right now, the board has approved the model policy, but says that they want more input from districts and stakeholders. As it stands, the policy is expansive. Students wouldn't be able to access their phones at all during the entire school day, not just during class time.
Yes, it's a distraction in the classroom, but it's also something that is contributing to heightened anxiety, to mental health problems for students outside the classroom.
Patrick Kelly is from the Palmetto State Teachers Association. He says the issues cell phones create for students and teachers in schools go far beyond the classroom.
And whether that's airdropping an embarrassing picture of someone or getting on social media and sparking a conflict, by taking the cell phone out of the equation during the school day, we should see diminished problems in those areas.
The state legislature approved a ban in June as part of a provision in the budget, but let the details be worked out by the education department. Now we know what that would look like. No cell phones, tablets, gaming devices, or smartwatches. They'd have to be stored away in a backpack or locker for the entire school day, not just during class time. Superintendent of Education Ellen Weaver says it's also a matter of safety and that cell phones are counterproductive in a school crisis.
We need our students paying full time and attention to the adults who are seeking to get them to safety. Those cell phones also can create misinformation that then creates more fear and panic amongst parents and members of the community.
Now, there are a few exceptions to the policy. For example, if a student has a medical reason to need their phone. Now, the actual discipline and enforcement of the policy is being left up to the school districts. It's also left up to the school districts if they want to expand the ban to school buses or the entire campus. Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.
Well, the board is going to reconvene to approve or deny a second reading in September. In the meantime, those working on the policy say that they want more input from the schools. Once it's in effect, schools would have to fully adopt and implement the state's policy by January.